Good morning, everyone. On this beautiful day, just wanted to show you guys here. We're at a client's. They made themselves an outdoor shower here. We're right in town here. Look at this place they made. Pretty cool. Made themselves this beautiful little outdoor shower. Kind of in the trees here. You see how the trees hide it? See the trees here and the trees there? Looks really good. Something different. Just thought I'd show that to you guys. Alright, just finishing this one up here. Just wanted to show you guys what they got out back here. This video is going to be all stuff that people have on their land. This guy here has got himself like some kind of a train set he's got set up here. Look at that. With that big tree right there. Himself a little town here. The little church. Looks really good. Looks different. All right. So I'll show you guys this one. We're finishing up here. Pretty high one. You done? Can you get a... So that's what it's all about. Off to the next one.